In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VPN on Microsoft Edge. First, open Microsoft Edge. You can do this by clicking on the Edge icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once the browser loads, you'll notice a clean interface ready for you to explore the web securely. This is the starting point for enhancing your online privacy. With Microsoft Edge open, you are setting the stage to access a world of extensions, including those that offer VPN services. Ensuring you have a reliable VPN is crucial for protecting your data while browsing. Next, go to the Edge add-on store. You can do this by clicking on the three horizontal dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the drop-down menu, select Extensions. Once you're on the Extensions page, look for the link to the add-on store. This will take you to a dedicated area where you can find various extensions to enhance your browsing experience. The add-on store is where you will discover a range of VPN options, making it easier to find one that suits your needs. Now, search for your preferred VPN extension. You can type the name of the VPN you want to use, such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Surfshark, or Windscribe, in the search bar at the top of the store page. As you type, suggestions will appear, making it easier to locate the exact extension you need. Selecting a reputable VPN is important because it ensures you have a secure connection and reliable service. Take your time to find one that meets your requirements for speed and security. Once you find the VPN extension you want, click Get. This button is usually located on the right side of the extensions listing. When you click Get, you might see a prompt asking for confirmation. This step is essential because it initiates the download and installation process. By clicking this button, you are taking the first step towards enhancing your online privacy with a VPN. After that, click Add Extension. A pop-up will appear, confirming that you want to add this extension to your browser. Confirming this action is crucial as it allows the VPN extension to integrate with Microsoft Edge. Once you do this, the extension will begin downloading and installing. You'll see a progress indicator, assuring you that the installation is underway. Now, sign in to your VPN account if required. Depending on the VPN service you chose, you may need to enter your credentials to access your account. This step is vital because it validates your subscription and allows you to utilize the VPN features fully. If you don't have an account yet, you can usually create one directly from this prompt. This process ensures that your connection is secure and personalized to your preferences. Finally, click the VPN extension icon in the toolbar and connect to a server. You will see this icon appear in the top right corner of your window. When you click on it, a menu will drop down, allowing you to select a server. Choosing a server is important as it determines your internet location and can improve your browsing speed. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message reassuring you that your VPN is active. This final step is crucial for ensuring that your online activities remain private and secure. By following these steps, you have successfully added a VPN to Microsoft Edge. Enjoy a safer and more private browsing experience. Thank you for watching.